rational number on a number line, is it? Number line. Second one of the concept, comparison, is it? Comparing of rational number without number line. Without number line. Okay, first is recapitulate the representation on a number line on a rational number on a number line. Okay, so what is that? So given rational number is proper fraction. Given rational number is proper fraction. The fraction part lies between 0 and 1. The rational number lies between 0 and 1. Okay, and then mixed fraction or improper fraction is given. So improper fraction is given, you should change to the mixed fraction, is it? Proper fraction change to mixed fraction. For example, 7 by 3 is given. So how do you write in a mixed fraction? 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, so how do we draw in a number line? First put the number line of integers 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, and then identify the rational number lies between which are the numbers. So here 2 1 by 3 is given. So the number should lies between 2 and 3. So 2 1 by 3 where it parts? It's divided in 3 equal parts. 1 2 1 1 2 3. 3 equal parts divided. So it's right in the fraction 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 3 by 3 we get a 1. So the rational number lies in a place is 2 1 by 3 in this place. Okay, okay, I hope you all understand. And next one, comparison of a rational number without number line. Without number line. So rational number with same numerator, rational number with same denominator and difference denominator and different numerator is given. How to do? Okay, so first you see the first one. Rational number with same numerator. And second one, rational number with same denominator. And then rational number with different numerator and denominator. Okay, see first one, rational number with same numerator. Same numerator means, for example, 3 by 7 and 3 by 8 is given. So compare the denominator values. Which one is greatest value? Is 8 is greatest value. So in a rational number, which one is greatest? 3 by 7 is the greatest number compared with 3 by 8. This is the first type. And second one of the type, so denominator are same. Denominator are same, 2 by 8 and 3 by 8. So you can easy to compare the numerator. 2 is greater than or less than 3. 2 is less than, smaller value than the 3. So which is greater? 3 is greater. So the number 2 by 3 is greater than, sorry, less than 3 by 8 is less than 3 by 8. This is the second one of the type. And third one, rational number between different numerator and different denominator is given. You should find out the LCM in these places. So, for example, 3 by 2 and 4 by 3 is given. So, different numerator and different denominator. In this place, you should find out the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So, denominator, numerator is multiplied by 3 and here denominator and numerator multiplied by 2. So, in this place we will write 3 3s are 9, 9 by 6 and 8 by 6. Now compare. So, these are the equivalent rational numbers are there. Okay. So, denominator are same, denominators are compare the numerator, which one is greatest? 9 is greater than the 8. So, which one is rational number is greatest value? 9 by 6 is greater than the 8 by 6. Okay. I hope you all understand the last class. Okay. Now, yeah, see the example, fifth one. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So, here 3 numbers are given, minus 18 by 5 and 11 by 2 and 1 by 4 is given. So, arrange in ascending order. First the denominator are same, then only we can arrange in the ascending order. So, first of all find out the LCM for these 3 values. So, LCM solution, LCM of 5 to 4 is 20, is it? And then first number minus 18 by 5 is multiply. Which number you want to multiply the denominator? We get the value of 20. 4. So, the same number also multiply the numerator. Okay. 5 4s are 20 and here 72. 18 4s are. If you need an rough work area, I will calculate and write. Okay, minus 18 4, 4 8s are 32, 72. So, minus 72. Okay, and next one 11 by 2 into which number here multiply? We get the value of 10. 10. 10 into 10. So, 2 10s are 20. 11 10s are 110. And next one 1 by 4. Have 5. 4 5s are 20. 1 5s are 5. So, now arrange in the ascending order. Now, all the numbers in the equal rational number. Okay. So, now arrange minus, which one is smallest? Arrange ascending order. So, ascending order means write in the smallest number to largest number. So, smallest number is minus 72 by 20 and next smallest number is 5. 5 by 20 and next smallest one 100 and next greatest one is right in the smallest number to next highest number and next one of the highest number. So, it's written as greater than 5 by 20 is greater than 11 and 10 by 20. So, it can, which value is given in this question? So, first is 71 minus 18 by 5 is greater than 5 by 20, that is the value is 1 by 4 is less than 11 by 2. This is the ascending order for the given rational numbers. Okay. And next one, example 6. Write in the descending order. Descending order, the numbers are 8 by 3 minus 7 by 2 and minus 3 by 4 is given. Okay. So, solution, first LCM for 3 to 4. LCM of 3 to 4 is 12. Okay. So, 8 by 3, which number multiply denominator, we get the value of 12, 4. So, the same number also multiply the numerator, 8 4s are 32, 3 4s are 12, and next one of the number 7 by 2, it's also multiplicated by which number, 6. So, same number also multiply the numerator. So, 7 6 are 42. So, minus 42 by 6 to 12, and next one minus 3 by 4. So, it is multiplicated by 3. 3 3s are 9. So, minus 9 by 4 3s are 12. Now, write in a descending order. Which one is greatest value here? This is the very greatest value. So, 32 by 12. 32 by 12. And next one of the greatest value was minus 9 by, okay. So, its original values are 32 by 12. Original value was 8 by 3 is greater than minus 7 by 2 is greater than minus 9 by 12. 9 by, sorry, minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Okay. So, the descending order of the given rational numbers are 8 by 3 is greater than minus 7 by 2 is greater than minus 3 by 4. Okay. I hope you understand the example 5 and 6. Next one of the concept, rational numbers between two rational numbers. How do you find out the rational number between any two rational numbers? So, rational number between two rational numbers. How do you find out? Already you know that, is it? So, in a number line, so any two integers between any two integers is not having any integers, but any two rational numbers between, it has infinite number of rational numbers. It has infinite number of rational numbers. For example, it's also a rational number. Okay. So, in between lot of infinite number of rational numbers are there. Okay. So, here also. So, how do you find out that rational numbers? We will see now. Okay. Listen. So, one of the formula for find out the rational number between two rational numbers. Okay. So, first one, method 1, formula. The rational number is denoted by Q, already you know, is it? So, Q is equal to, first rational number you want to find out using this formula method. Q is equal to 1 by 2, consider the two rational numbers, first rational number P by Q plus second one of the rational number R by S. Okay. Substitute the value, we get the first rational number between these two numbers, okay. And next second one of the rational number between is Q1 2 1 by 2. So, we have considered this part. Okay. So, P by Q plus the Q value we have considered, okay. So, another one of the formula. this also correct, and also 1 by 2 you have considered this rational number also. So in this place we have considered q plus r by s also is correct answer for the another one of the rational number, because it has infinite number of rational numbers are there. So you have used any one of the formula in this rational numbers, okay. This is a formula method. And next one is for example, find the rational number between 5 and 5. Find the rational number between this. So just you want to multiply in this place numerator and denominator by 10, first one, okay. So minus 5, which number you have multiply the numerator, that number should divided by the same number, okay. Here also the same one, 5 divided by 10 into 10, okay. So multiply, so 50 by 10 and minus 50 by 10, okay. So now write, it has a lot of infinite irrational numbers, so rational numbers are there, infinite rational numbers are there, okay. So minus 50 to between numbers minus 49 by 10 minus 48 by 10. So endlessly going, is it here 40 by 10, 41 by 10, so up to 50 by 10. It has a many rational numbers between minus 5 and 5, okay. These are the two methods. This is a formula method, this is a regular method. So just multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, and next you have needed the in between of these two numbers, find the 2 or 3 rational numbers between these two numbers. What we do? Next multiply by 10 by 10. So in this place minus 49 by 10, the numerator and denominator multiply by 10, what we get? Minus 490 by 100. So between of these two numbers, here also minus 480 by 100. So here lot of irrational number between these two values, okay. That's also a rational numbers, okay. So now see the examples for later topic. First one, example 7 in your page 14. See, find any 3 rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 5 is given, okay. So for in this exercise we have used the formula method, So let us consider the first rational be q1 is equal to half into p by q plus r by s, is it? So half into p by q value is 1 by 2 plus r by s value, another one of the rational number be 1 by 5. So half, so take LCM 10, okay. So 5 plus 2 by 10, so 1 by 2, 7 by 10, 7 by 10. So multiply the numerator and denominator, 7 by 20. The first rational number between these two number is 7 by 20. Now find out the second one of the rational number q1, okay. q1. So second rational number between we have considered 1 by 2 and 7 by 20. Second. second rational number between, I have find out these two numbers. Okay, so q1 is equal to, why do you write q1 here? Consider the first rational number be q. Okay, so second one is considered to the q1, and formula is half into the first rational number 1 by 2 plus second rational number 7 by 20. Okay, so 1 by 2, here take the LCM, the numerator and denominator multiplied by 10, so 20. So 1 by 2, 17 by 20, so answer is 17 by 40. So second one of the rational number, second one of the rational number. And third one, rational number between, I have considered the first rational number and the given rational number. Okay, so have find out this, you have considered any one. Okay, for example you have select this also, இதை கூட என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம், கண்டுபிடிச்சு அது ரெண்டுக்கும் இடையில உள்ள எந்த நம்பர்னாலும் எழுதிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு வேறு வேல்யூ வந்திருக்கு, இவங்களுக்கு வேறு வேல்யூ வந்திருக்கு அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது. இட் ஹாஸ் அ இன்ஃபைனைட் நம்பர்ஸ் பிட்வீன் எனி டூ ரேஷனல் நம்பர். ஸோ டோன்ட் வரி அபவுட் தட். வாட் எவர் யூ ஆர் நோன் வெல், you are clearly do that. Okay, so just apply in this formula, you get the any two rational numbers between any two or infinite number of rational numbers. Okay, right. So third rational number between, I have considered this 7 by 20 and 1 by 5. So you have apply in the formula, q2 is equal to half into 7 by 20 plus 1 by 5. So 1 by 2 into 7 by 20 plus, here multiply 4, the numerator also, so 20 by 2, so 11 by 20, so 11 by 40, 11 by 40. Okay, so let's write in a, hence what are the rational numbers we have find out? First one, the rational number between 1 by 5 is less than 11 by 40 and less than 7 by 20 and less than 17 by 40 and less than 1 by 2. Okay, and next example 8. Write 10 rational number between 2 and rational number 2 and minus 2. Then we have applied in the second one of the method. Okay, so how do you do? In your book give it another one of the method. I have applied the second method. Any one of the method you have followed, which one is your easy to feel, you will do that method. Okay, so here 2 is given, so multiply numerator and denominator by 10 and minus 2 also multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. So the rational number between 20 by 10 and minus 20 by 10. So what are the numbers between these two values? Minus 19. We need write the 10 rational numbers between the 2 and minus 2 is given. So minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10 and 16 by 10, minus 15 by 10. Okay, and positive values also I can write, is it? So 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, 15 by 10. Okay, these are the rational number between the 2 and minus 2, 2 and minus 2. I hope you are understand the concept. Now move to the exercise problem. So exercise 1.3. The first one, represent the following rational number on a number line. First one, minus 4 by 5 is given. So first of all, draw the number line. So negative value is given. So we need this portion only. So write 1, 2. So first of all, check whether given rational number is proper or improper. After you will draw the number line. Okay. So the given number is proper number, proper fraction, proper rational number. So it lies between the 0 and 1. In this side 0 and minus 1. So you will draw the number line lies between 0 and minus 1, because here negative value is given. So you will draw like this. Okay. So now it's divided in how many parts? 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So first number be 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 and minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 5, we get minus 1. Okay. So now we easy to mark the rational number on a number line. Okay. I hope you understand. Okay. Next one of that. So second one you will do the homework, and C I will do. Okay. C problem. So mixed fraction is given. Minus 3 1 by 4 is given. Minus 3 1 by 4 is given. First draw the number line. So it lies between, which are the numbers? It lies between minus 3 and minus 4. Clearly observe the integer is minus 3. Okay. So it lies between minus 3 and minus 4. So here negative value is given. So in this place write 1 and 2. After minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Okay. So minus 3 and minus 4. Why do you write like this? So that whole number minus 3 lies between, is it? It's one of the integer. It's one of the rational number. So it lies between the minus 3 and minus 4. Next, the in between of minus 3 and minus 4, it's divided in 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 equal parts. The first part is denote 1 by 4, and second one of the part 2 by 4, and third one is 3 by 4, and fourth one is 4 by 4. We get the 1. So value will be right in minus 4. So minus 3 1 by 4. So in this place is marked by minus 3 1 by 4. Okay. I hope you are understand the concept. Okay. So D1 also homework. So first one B and D are homework. And second problem, represent the number line minus 2 by 7 and 2 by 7 on a number line, or the points representing them equidistant from the origin. Yes, equidistance. Zero. Okay, here it's a proper fraction. Okay, so it's divided in equal. It's divided in equal 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 equal parts are divided. Okay, it's marked 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. 7 by 7 will be 1. Okay, here also minus 1 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 6 by 7. Now mark the first one minus 2 by 7. Where you plot? In this place. That value is minus 2 by 7. And next one 2 by 7. So 2 by 7. Both are equidistant between the line minus 2 by 7 and 2 by 7. Okay. Next one, third one. Arrange the following rational number in ascending order. Ascending order. The first one minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 and 1 by 4. So minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So denominator are different and numerator are different. So what we do in this place, we have take the LCM. So LCM of 854 is which number? 40. 8 5s are, okay, 8 5s are 4 10s are, so common multiple is 40 we have considered, okay. So first one minus 3 by 8 and second one 4 by 5, okay. So which number in denominator multiply, we get the value of 45. The same number also numerator multiply, so 3 5s are 15, so 8 5s are 40. Here 4 by 5 multiplied by 8, the numerator also multiplied by 8, 4 8s are 32, 8 5s are 40, the 1 by 4, 10 by 10. So 10 by 40, okay. So now write in the ascending order, is it? Yes. So arranged ascending order means write in the smallest number to largest number. Which is smallest number? The negative value minus 15 by 40, is it? And next one is 32. Smallest value, which one is smallest? Next one 10, the next one is greatest value is 32 40. So it is form of which one? Minus 3 by 8 and next one 10 by 4 means less than 1 by 4 is greater than the value is minus 4 by minus 5. Thus the numbers are thus ascending, yes, ascending order. Minus 3 by 8, 1 by 4, minus 4 by minus 5, minus 4 by ascending order is ascending order. Thus the ascending order enough. Thus the ascending order, right? Okay, that's it. And next one. So B is a homework and fourth one. Find the 7 rational numbers. Fourth one, find the 7 rational numbers between minus 3 by 11 and minus 4 by 11. So already told the second method we have followed in this place. We can easily to find out the rational number between these two numbers. Okay. So rational number between these two numbers. First multiply minus 30 by 110 and minus 4 by 11 into 10 by 10. So minus 40 by 110. the rational number between minus 30 110 to minus 40 by 110s are the numbers. Ten, okay, 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so numbers are minus 31 by this order. Okay, right, next one, fifth problem. I hope fifth and seventh is a homeworks. Okay, fifth and sixth is homework. Okay, I will do. So fifth one, 6 rational number between 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 is given. So here different denominators and numerators. So take the LCM of 2 and 4 is 8. So 3 by 4 into 2, what we get? 6 by 8. Here 1 by 2 into 4, so 4 by 8. Now you can find out the rational number between 6 and 8. Rational number between 6 by 8 and 4 by 8. So what we do? 6 by 8 into 10 is equal to 60 by 80 and 40 by 80. 40 by 80. Write the numbers between. Thus the rational number between 60 by 80 and 80 are, how many numbers we want to write? 6 rational numbers. So 50 by 80, 51 by 80, 49 by 80, 38 by 80, 20, so 41 by 80 and 42 by 80 and 43 by 80. 43 by 80. Okay, so lies between 40 to 60. 41, 42, 43. So any 5 numbers. And sixth one, find the 5 rational number between 9.1 and 9.5. So first change the decimal to fractional part. So multiply numerator and denominator by 10. Here also multiply numerator and denominator by 10. What we get? So 91 by 10 and 95 by 10. Is it? So decimal move to the that side, So 95 by 10. So the rational number between 91 by 10 and 95 by 10. So which are the numbers? What we do? The numerator we want to write in the how many numbers? So 5 rational numbers we want to write. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 10 again. So 91 by 10 into 10, 910 by 100. And next one, (95) by 10 into 10, 950 by 100. So listing all the numbers between 910 to, thus the rational number between 910 by 100 and 950 by 100 are, what are the numbers? 911 by 100, 6 by 100. Any 5 numbers. Any 5 numbers. That's it. And seventh one, find 15 rational number between -5 and -5. -5 and -1. So very easiest one, may have used the method 2. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 10. So -50 by 10 and here -1 by 10, -10 by 10. So now the rational number between -10 to 10 divided by 10 to between -50 by 10. What are the numbers? -11 by 10, -12 by 10, -13 by 10. How many numbers you want to? 15 rational numbers. You will write (21 by 10 minus 22 by 10 minus 23 by 10 minus 24 by 10 minus 25 by 10 30 by 10 minus 31 by 10 minus 32 minus 33 by 10. Okay, minus 34 by 10 minus 35 by 10 minus 36 by 10 minus 37 by 10 minus 38 by 10 minus 40 by 10. Okay, so write 15 rational numbers. 15 rational numbers. And next one, final one, 8th problem. Find the 4 rational numbers between x and modulus of x. Find the rational number between x and modulus of x. Modulus of x, where x is equal to -2 by 7. So modulus of x means it can write in the positive values. Okay, so find out the rational number between 2 by 7 and minus 2 by 7. 2 by 7 and minus 2 by 7. So what are the numbers? 2 by 7. So multiply 10, 20 by 70, and second method I have followed. Okay, 2 by 7 into 10 by 10. So minus 20 by 70. The rational number between 2 by 7, 20 by 70 and minus 20 by 70 are how many numbers? 4 rational numbers only asking. So 21 by 70, sorry, 11 by 70, 12 by 70, minus 11 by 70, minus 12 by 70, and one more number, minus 30 by 70. That's all. These are the rational number between 20 by 70 and minus 20 by 70. Okay. Okay. I hope you all understand the concepts. Okay. Any doubt, ask to me. I will do the homework. B is a homework. Third one, B is a homework. So other problems had completed. Okay. Thank you, students.